Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I am here with a quick unboxing. This is the anniversary package from the Coffee Monsters Co. And this is her 5-year anniversary bundle that she did a pre-order for. And so it took a little while for it to come in, but it is absolutely and totally worth it. If you have never seen Helen's work, she does the emojis, and that's what I primarily use in my Hobonichi weeks. And I love her art. It is amazing. And she's been doing this since she was, I think, 16, maybe earlier, but she was in high school and started the Coffee Monsters Co. And it has just been one of my absolute favorites. And every time she has an anniversary bundle, I usually get it. So I am just going to go ahead and cut this open with my handy dandy little narwhal scissors. I love them. So, all right. Woohoo! Yay! That is so cute. So you have the Coffee Monsters Co. sticker with the emoji tissue paper, which I'm sure I probably, actually, it is coming off. Maybe. I love her stuff so much that I don't want to rip it, because this is the first time that she has, has done a tissue paper. I'm like, oh my God, it's so cute. So I love that it's all wrapped so pretty. Go ahead and cut that. And, yay, I'm so excited. All right, we'll put that off to the side. Because I will probably be using that in, like, I'll try to do a lamination of it, maybe. So, first and foremost, well, actually, there's a bunch of stuff. Oh! So, this is her first planner, and I just think it's awesome. When I saw it, I loved it. So, My Emoji Planner, Volume 1. I'm just checking to see where you are in the camera. Let me put these off to the side here. And it is a dot grid. You can see the very faint dot grid there. And it's a double ring coil, but you can, it's just a blank vertical planner, and it's got 4 days on a page, and I just think it's so cute. You can use this with her kits, you can use this with her stickers, you can use it with plain pen. And so this is what she's got on the back here. How in the world do we end up here? I'm so incredibly excited to present to you our first emoji planner. As the cover suggests, this is only volume 1, which means I have a web of ideas floating around in my head for future layouts and designs. For volume 1, I wanted to create something simple and timeless that fits the needs of both decorative sticker planning and bullet journal enthusiasts, which she uses both, actually. Thank you for your support, and I cannot wait to see all of your creative spreads that you can come up with. Love, Helen and Coffee Monsters Co. So, and that is a drawing of her, and she is just so adorable. So, I love this. And it's like a chipboard cover on both sides, but I really, really, really like that. So there's that. And then she did a stationery set. And I was super excited for this. And it's just got some envelopes. So you get 4 envelopes, and they're just plain envelopes. So, but then you have like this cute little emoji stationery. It's one-sided, but you've got like a little snail mail up there, and then an emoji at the bottom and some flowers. And it's pink with some little hearts right there. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sheets of stationery and 4 envelopes, and that was super cute. And then finally the rest of the bundle and my freebies. So this all came as a set. Now there's certain parts of this that you could actually choose, like which kit you wanted, but it all came as a bundle. So first off, you have the Emoti washi, and it's just a planner washi. Let me go ahead and open that because, well, we all know I love her stuff and I would never get rid of it because I adore having it in my stash. Okay, so let's find the end of this. So you guys can kind of see it without any background. Trying to get it up close there. So pencil, stickers, planner, washi tape, envelopes, and then it just repeats with the really pretty rose gold hearts. And it's funny because most of you who know me and have been part of this channel for a while know that I am not a huge fan of pink. However, Helen uses a lot of pink in her artwork, and that just doesn't bother me. I don't know why. I actually kind of embrace it, and I think it's adorable. This is her Emoti clasp clip, and I actually love this so much. I didn't get it as a clip. I mean, I got it obviously with part of the bundle, but I wanted it so that I could turn it into a necklace. So yeah, I just think they're so adorable. And it's an enamel lobster clip, planner clip, but I want to use it as a necklace. So there you have. I wanted to try to get a second one, but they sold out because I was going to use them as earrings, but obviously I didn't get that, but still I can use that as a necklace. And then this is her snail mail washi tape, and it's a thinner tape as far as the width goes, not the quality of the tape, but see if I can find the end. You guys hear a little tinkling in the background. That would be little Mississippi Bean playing with something metal on the floor. But that means she's not up here going, "What are you doing, Mama? What's going on?" So you have a fountain pen, an envelope with a letter in it, snail mail, postage stamp, envelopes, more snail mail, or slug mail, slug packages, I guess. And then it restarts. But let me try pulling it up there so you guys can see it closer. And this is more of like a ombre orange or tangerine, which I love. So it's very much the color of the little snail shell there. All right, now, so we have the no judging because of all of the stationery supplies. This is a vinyl sticker, and I will probably put that on one of my water bottles. And then these can be like either seals for your envelopes or just regular stickers, but I just thought they were adorable. And they're a rose gold and pink kind of color on them. So, and then the 5-year anniversary sampler, which I love. I have every one of her samplers. Most of them have all been used, but I have gotten her sampler every year, and I just love them. This is one of my favorites. It is a zombie Emoti doing work in the morning, and I'm like, oh, there's so many days that I feel like that, but I love this. Then you get the TCMC bucket list sampler, and plus 1 year anniversary sale, Helen's birthday sale, organized, Ninja Shopper, Happy Mail, and packages, pre-order shipped, pre-order, new releases, and then Happy Mail and got your package. So I love that she did this so that you could actually put the anniversary sale and her birthday sale on your calendar. And then you get a packet or I cannot even talk today. This is just a to-do list, a weekly to-do list, and it's a notepad. They're not sticky, but you got Monday through Sunday, and I think this is awesome. You can put what week it is, and yeah, I love that. I think there's 25 sheets in here, but I thought it was adorable. Then this is the weekly kit. I got the weekly kit because I can always upsize it to work in my Hobonichi Cousin Avec, but I can't normally downsize it to work in my weeks. So I love that she gave us options. But you've got date covers, you've got these little squares that work in the squares on your weeks, Monday through Sunday trackers. You've got some little washi tapes there, and then you've got the Happy Mail on page 2. This is all one kit. So these I love. When I don't have any kind of a box or anything that works for what I want for like a doctor's appointment or, you know, doing a nerve block or something like that, I love to use these and write in what it is. And you've got checklists, you've got the other square boxes, you've got flags, you've got these tiny little quarter boxes to do's this week, weekend pages, and then checkbox, little check boxes that are actually individual stickers. So I love those. And then this is her card, from an idea to your doorstep. And it just kind of goes through what's happening. And little Sif is right up there trying to get up the window. And it says, thank you for incredible 5 years of incredible. Sif. Oh my goodness. Having a 9-week-old kitten trying to record a video is kind of crazy. Oh! And she just pulled the curtain down. So, okay, we'll fix that in a minute. Thank you for 5 incredible years of TCMC. I quite literally grew up with this business, and I've been lucky enough to learn so many lessons along the way, most notably getting to interact with people who understand my concerning love for pens, stickers, notebooks, and more has gotten me through my darkest days. I appreciate each of you for your supporting my work and for giving me the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to live out my dreams of being an artist. I love you and enjoy your goodies. Thank you, Amy, Aunt June. And she has a lot of her family helping package all of these, and so I love that. And then this little joke, why did the picture go to jail? Because it was framed. And then these, you can collect all of the little beans. And she has like a little coffee bean at the top. And then once you have this filled in, you record the date. And then you email her when you place an order. And here comes little Miss Sif. And then you get a free, get freebies. This is usually the freebie. This is the March freebie. And that's when I actually ordered this. But I love this. I love the matcha tea with the, hello, Sif. Hello. Say hello to the public. Thank you for pulling Mama's curtain down. Because, you know, you weren't destructive enough. But I love the little macarons and then going out for a hike. And then this is the other vinyl sticker which says I love books. So this is my Coffee Monsters Co. Order, along with a very curious kitten. And it was definitely worth the wait. I love the washi tapes. I love, love, love this charm. So there you have it. The unboxing of the 5-year bundle from Coffee Monsters Co. And a little preview of little Miss Sif. So she has been with us 3 weeks today, actually, and has been a joy, but also a very steep learning curve after not having a brand new kitten for 4 years. So I'm like, oh, I forgot. Hey, don't bite that. No, no, no. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Nope, you're just going to chew on that. Huh. No, 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 no. You're obviously teething. All right. Say bye. You're not having it. All right, bye, guys. You are a menace. You are a menace. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Really? Siffy Bean. Why must you be so obstinate? Other than the fact that you're a cat. Really? Now you're going to be chill? All right.